How to save your OBS settings. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to save your OBS settings. So let's say if you just installed your OBS Studio on your new PC or new computer, and if you have saved your previous OBS settings, then you can easily replace it. So to save your OBS settings for such scenarios, you just have to open your OBS Studio and just head over to this file option or file button at the navigation bar from the top left corner, and just select or open this show settings folder just like this, and which will take you to this page. Now what you need to do is just head over one step back, that is roaming. So once inside here, just locate the OBS Studio folder, and now I want you to just copy this folder and simply paste it to somewhere called OBS Backup. You can just create that particular folder, and once you paste it over here, time you download the OBS Studio, you can basically use the same file which you just downloaded as a backup to by simply replacing the previous one or the newer one. So to do that, you can just head over to the file again and just open up this same folder, that is show settings folder, and you can just come one step back once again and just delete this OBS Studio folder and replace or paste the one which we just kept as a backup in our deck. That's exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.